Hello everyone, this is Arlena with Stamp with Arlena. Wonderful, great Friday. We're having beautiful weather here in Michigan and I'm loving it. So Tuesday night I went live and I did a video on the paper pumpkin kit. And I started putting the we did the unboxing together and we started putting the pumpkins together, the kit. And it was a hot mess, let me just say that. So I promised you that I would put them together and then show you what the finished product was so you could see what they're supposed to look like without me being frustrated. So I did find that on Paper Pumpkin, you go to paperpumpkin.com, they have a video of how to put them together, and of course they make it look really easy, but it was easier than what I was doing, so that was good. So we started out with this pumpkin, and it's paper, and it all goes together, and it did come together very nicely, and the tag on it says Happy Halloween. You can put treats in there, money, or just use it as decor. The other one was, it says, "Hey there, pumpkin," and it's a green pumpkin. I'm sorry, there you go. And again, you can fill it with candy or money or treats. And then here's one that looks like an apple, and it says, I pick you every time. So it looks like a little apple. So these are the three. Oh, let me try to get those together. That it made. The box does make a wheelbarrow, so you could put all of them in the well, not all of them, but a few of them in the wheelbarrow, and then have the other ones sitting around, so they make great decor. So I hope this helps. Again, the Paper Pumpkin subscription, you can do month to month. You can do a 3-month subscription, 6-month subscription, 12-month subscription. I'm going to post the link again of where you can subscribe to that. And it has to be ordered by the 10th of the month. And then you'll get your kit in the mail directly to you toward the end of the month. In Michigan, I get mine about the 24th of the month. And then we'll have an unboxing and we'll put it together live on here. So if that's something you're interested in, please take advantage of it. If you're just a beginner stamper, this is exactly what you need. It includes a stamp set, an ink spot. Your first kit comes with an acrylic block, all the adhesive and the paper products to make wonderful projects and cards. So if that's something you'd like, I'd love for you to join us, and we will see you. Oh, Dolores, you're just hopping on. Hello. I wanted to make sure that I see everyone that's coming on. There's someone else on too. I'm not sure who. Sue is watching. I'm so glad you joined me. So just to recap, so in case you didn't see it, they did turn out. I did find a video on paperpumpkin.com, and it shows you how to put them together. So here's an apple, and the tag says, I pick you every time. Here's one that's green. It's beautiful, and it says, hey there, pumpkin. It's beautiful. I did finally figure out how to put these stinkers together. And then, of course, the pumpkin. And the tag says, Happy Halloween. So those are the three. And the box makes a wheelbarrow. So if it's something you would like to join, it is very affordable. It's one of the most wonderful things in the catalog because it does include a stamp set. It does include the ink spot. It does include adhesive and everything you need to make the project. So if you have any questions, let me know. Again, I'll post the link if you want to order that. And we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.